that, okay, these are our observations. So help us to make sure that people, because there are a lot of squatters also in the market, and we ensure that they don't stay in the market overnight. So we work all throughout the night and then deployed as early as possible to ensure that there is public safety before even the exercise starts. So that is the reason being. Okay.
Thank you very much for talking to us.
Oh, thank you. You're welcome.
Great.
Okay.
So you just heard from Lieutenant Colonel O'Day. He is in charge of the military, ensuring that this exercise is successful. And he's here with his men on the ground. Some of the military men are also patrolling the streets of the Central Business District and many other parts of the capital to ensure that this disinfection exercise is successful. If you come here today, I mean, you would find the shops closed, just like the mayor mentioned. Lieutenant Colonel O'Day also, mentioned the streets are empty. All the shops here are closed. Some of the market people are actually around also just observing what is going on at this point, Roland. So we'll be going to another location just to bring you what the situation is. We'll be moving from here to another market to observe what the disinfection process, is like there, and trust us to bring you the very best and the latest on this disinfection exercise, Roland.
And again, you should know, 300 men deployed, and Fred Smith, during the dawn of today, had brought to you comprehensively how prepared they were. They had then assembled for briefing or debriefing at 5B and right here at Burma Camp here in Accra. And the pictures we're showing you are live pictures from the Malam market, where Nancy Emafa Dradosi had been bringing to us the latest. But look, we have to transition and bring to you latest as we continue this live coverage on News Decks. And of course, I will be transitioning now into Mama View Suabwaje. We'll be telling you what the latest is. We've deployed a number of reporters across the Greater Accra region just to make sure we bring you great live content right here on the channel, and also bring you up to speed, up to the minute content as to how well or not the exercise is being undertaken. We should again inform you, it is the Ministry of Local Government and Rural Development in collaboration with Zoom Lion and its subsidiaries and other service providers within the waste industry that are ensuring that this disinfection exercise takes place adequately across markets, not only in Central Accra, but also in Tema. And already we've been giving some great information from the ministry that it's also taking place elsewhere in Ningo, Adan, and elsewhere along the Greater Accra region. But before we go, let's tell you what the current cases are. So far, deaths recorded up to date is 14,765. It's still rolling up. You get to see that the numbers keep changing. Worldwide, totally confirmed cases, 331,722 as of today. China still leading. But interestingly, China has not been recording a number of deaths or number of recorded cases as they were doing back in January. They have improved dramatically. And the country that outside China, outside Asia, that seem to be grappling with the disease as we know it, keep telling you right here on the channel, is Italy, with some 59,138 cases, followed by the US, which is also getting the numbers trickling up so fast with some 35,224 cases as it were. In Ghana, we have on record, you go to the portal of the Ghana Health Service, 24 cases recorded, 1 death, and we're still on